Hello guys, so I just finished up with this church flyer, and if you guys want to see how it was done, this was how it was done. Okay, so this is the background, but I didn't get the background straight like this. Okay, and so this is how the background was created. It was created from here, so it was a mere shape. Okay, then I added a gradient on it, so gradient, then I brought in this shape. Okay, so this shape was like this, then adding, reducing the opacity, and also changing the color mode. Okay, so it became like this. Okay, all right, so change to subtract, from normal to subtract, and reduce the opacity. Then I added this noise. Okay, so the noise was like this and also like this. So when you change this one to soft light and also made this one 27, okay, so at the end of the day it's going to look like this. Okay, then I added this. Okay, so initially this wasn't like this, so it was like this, so I added it to this place, then change the blending mode from normal to, so this was the actual one, then we changed the blending mode to exclusion and also added a layer mask to make this effect. Then I brought in this image. Okay, so this image was like this. This was normal, so we changed from normal to overlay and then added a layer mask to blend that in. Then also we added the last picture, that was the Bible. Okay, so it was like this, then we changed the blending mode from normal to overlay once again, and also added layer marks on the edge. Okay, so at the end of the day, this was the background. Okay, then this was the logo and the text we added. Then also we added these tests. Okay, 3 days revival. So this one include, so these are just text. Okay, and also this one include this gold effect. Okay, so this is the gold effect we use. First of all, I try using this one. Okay, so when you create a clipping marks on that, this is how this one looks. Then I tried another one, so I prefer this one more than the other one. Okay, and that gave us this effect. It seems this one was okay, so I needed some shape to separate this one, so I added these shapes. Okay, and also I added this one, that's the add-ons. Okay, so initially it was something like, so this was something like this. Okay, so let me see, so this was something like this. Okay, then I changed the blending mode from that to screen and I move it to the edge like this. Okay, to get this awesome effect. So at the end of the day, by going through all these steps, this is what you are going to arrive at. Okay, and also guys, I have created a course. Okay, that if you want to join the course, I'm going to leave a link in my bio, and that course is only about funeral posters. Okay, I'm taking you through how to design a funeral poster, funeral banner, funeral invitation, everything that goes into it.